Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, what a weekend. First of all, we see a new swing low. We move below 20k. We finish off the overall correction, at least. We finish off the shorter time frame Elliott Wave count in making this fifth wave, which I did expect. You never know how low that really then in the end goes. One target for that was the $17,500 level, which we nearly reached. I think we reached 17,600. That was a possible turnaround point, just above the 76.8% Fibonacci retracement level, which you can find here, that 16.9k. This is a very, very strong support level on the Bitcoin chart generally for such a wave 2 correction in which Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is currently and might have finished yesterday. This is in this wave 2 correction. But again, it might be finished now. So Bitcoin made here this wave 1 to the upside in April 21, came down in a wave B, moved up in a wave B, moved down in a wave A, up in a B, down in a C. We've been talking about the need for Bitcoin to move below the low of the wave A. And from that point of view, the scenario was fulfilled, the higher level one. And then we looked at the shorter time frame Elliott Wave count in a level of detail that I had not done before, but so far I think it's working out. We had this awful structure here that suggested we would go down again, which we did. Then we had this next sideways structure here also, which suggested we would go down again, which we did. And I've always told you this could be the last wave down, the fifth wave of the fifth wave of the fifth wave. And this is exactly not what happened necessarily, because we don't have full confirmation yet, but we can see good indication, and we have a good case. Let's formulate it like that. We have a good case that the low could be in. It is not yet my primary expectation. Don't get me wrong, it is not yet my primary expectation, because we have not crossed above the $23,295 level. That would be confirmation that I would want to see. A good first indication would be the $21,334 level, the previous wave 4 high. That would be good indication, but confirmation for me is above this level, which means, it's not 100% guaranteed, but I would make it my primary expectation that we are starting to go up from here. Now, what have we seen here, and why am I, at least fairly confident that this could turn around now? Not telling you it will, because we don't have confirmation yet. But what do you need actually for confirmation? So first of all, you need either an impulsive wave, or at least a 5-wave move. And 5-wave move could be an impulsive move, or here a diagonal. And this is what this looks like, a diagonal, which means it has made 5 waves, which can overlap in some kind of an ascending wedge pattern in this case, and a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave move down. That is what we're looking for. And then in the next wave up, I would want to see prices break, either the price chart break here these resistance levels. So, however, what can we do? So, what we've seen now is clearer than I think ever before here in this downtrend, is a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this on one hand would also be again a wave 1. Okay, so I'll take that out because it just is a bit too much on the chart. But this here for me would have been a wave 1. Okay. Now what are we waiting for? We're now waiting for that wave 2. And I think what is important, I saw it on Telegram yesterday, a lot of people asking where would that wave 2 go. Now we don't know that until wave 1 is finished. Now we can at least make a case. Okay, so what would make sense? So let's take the look at the retracement levels here. People are already talking about a fake out, but this is not a fake out, at least not yet. We cannot yet say it's a fake out just because we are going down again. No, because this is what you expect. You expect a 5-wave move, which in my opinion is complete now, and then a 3-wave move down. Now, if in this move down, we're coming down too far, or we are making a lower low, then that breakout is invalidated. Yeah, so that is very important. Ideally, in that wave 2, we would hit the $19,187 level. Yeah, this is the 50% Fibonacci retracement. And I'll put a target area in. So my personal point of view in this case would be anywhere between, difficult to say though, it could be finished already at the 38.2 here at 19,566, but I think it should go down to 19,187. Reason is it would be very early in an uptrend. Yeah. Obviously at 38.2, keep an eye on it, 19,566, but 19,187 would for me be more likely. And then the 18,809 level. Yeah, this is the 61.8% fib level, and also possible is the 78.6, which is at 18,270. What would be the most likely one for me in this case? Well, I think it should be the now, okay, I'll change it. I'll put the 38.2 all the way down to the 61.8. Why? Well, a wave 2 normally retraces a bit more, but we've got two very important levels here. So one thing is, I would still ideally expect it to go into, but one sec, let me just add these. Let me add the fibs again. Oops. So here we have a wave 4, a previous wave 4 in yellow. Okay, so that previous wave 4 is at 19,500 roughly. That would be very much in line with the 38.2% fib level, and that should give support. Now below that, we've got the other swing low here, which is the wave 1 top, and that is at 19,187. So somewhere here I would expect major support, and we've already seen some support here. Yeah, it could go down to the 61.8. It could even go down a little bit lower. Important is, this is for me the most likely retracement area. Important is that it ideally does not go below 17,947. Invalidation would, however, be 17,584. So the other one, the 88.7 level here at 17,947, it would just be important not to go below it, because if it goes below it, it will just get more likely that this is not a wave 2 here. Yeah, because it just comes a bit too low, you know. Technically still possible, but then getting very unlikely. So I put the target wave now here into this target area, and from here we should then go up in a wave 3. And let's assume we hit maybe the $19,500 level. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, or let's just say here around about 19,200, because we don't know how low the wave 2 really will go. Only if we have the wave 2 low in, we can calculate the wave 3 high, but we can make some assumptions, and based on that, we would expect the wave 3 high to go to around about 24,400. So this is getting interesting now, and then you can see that as soon as we go above that 23,295 level here, it would be good confirmation. So if the next wave up is very long, is very strong, that will be a good indication that we are on our way out of here. Yeah. At the moment, no guarantee yet. It is no guarantee yet, absolutely not. But the case is putting, we can put a case together here. I think that is sort of the message I want to give here. We can put a case together. Should we go below 17,513, the downtrend will continue, and then next target would be 16,900. That is the 78.6% fib level. Here I would expect more support. But if that breaks, yes, then we can go much deeper, much lower. For now, it's holding, and for now, we can be carefully saying that the trend might be changing. And again, I'm not making it my primary expectation yet, only above 23,295, coupled with an impulsive wave structure in wave 3. Okay, and that is currently my view about Bitcoin. Of course, I'll keep you updated throughout the day. Hopefully you like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.